All right, guys, just a little update. 1970 Honda Trail 70. I'm about to drain the oil. Got me a little container just for now so I can drain it in. There's the bolt right there. And for those telling me use the OEM throttle, it's completely broken. I've had this thing since I was like 15 years old, and the OEM throttle is completely broken. I mean, I could hunt down another OEM throttle somewhere, but I'm just gonna use a basic throttle like you would for a XR50, CRF50 pit bike. I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna keep the original bars. Everything's original except for the throttle. So, and obviously the battery. But for right now, oil change. I'll be back with the update. All right, guys. So I got it loosened up. Let's see how much oil is gonna come out. I haven't drained the oil in this thing since probably fucking teenage years. So let's just see what we're working with here. I got this plastic bag on standby just in case I fill this motherfucker up. So let's see what we got here. Hopefully I get something. All right, here we go. Shit. Wow, not bad. Not too bad. Let's put this aside. And let's open up the oil fill. Get some air in there to help drain all the oil. I think that's all she wrote, guys. And this has a leak, so let me fix that shit. Put that inside there, and just shove that underneath. Perfect. Bam, fixed. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this oil, and then put some fresh oil in there. And then, like I said, I ordered the throttle cable. I'm going to test for spark here soon. Hopefully I get spark and everything is all good. So until then, guys, oil change on the 1970 Trail 70.